This song is so good.
I know.
Okay, guys, you gotta play outside. You gotta sit on the couch and watch TV all day or anime or something. You're going outside for 30 minutes. Then you can come out inside and do whatever you want.
Never!
You will get your candy then. Good. And you will get a chocobar and you will go fish. Oh, okay. Good. Now go outside and play, okay? Come on, guys, let's go.
No. Okay, guys, so we're outside. I don't know really what to do.
Let's play at the beach ball. That's right there. The magically disappear.
I don't know really what to do. What can we do with this? I don't know. What suggested?
Volleyball.
Nah, we don't have any nets here.
Monkey in the middle.
That could work. How about soccer?
Okay, soccer.
Wait. It's unfair. It's unfair. Me and you. It's unfair.
How about Phoebe's the judge?
But that's fair.
Yeah, but I want to play. Okay, then how about we take turns? I'll be the judge.
No, it's fine. Let's just play monkey in the middle. That sounds fine.
Okay.
Let's go get the beach ball.
So who's going to be a monkey? I'm not because I have the ball.
Yeah, you're what? But I don't want to be. Too bad then.
Okay, guys, let's play. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's so bad.
This is my first time in the wind.
Get it! Get it!
I'm in the middle now. Oh, it's cold out here. Woo! Oh, thank you.
Oh, shoot! No!
Javon, now you're in the middle. Oh, yeah.
That's in the middle.
You okay? I hate this ball. It deserves to die.
No, Johnny.
What is a ball?
Yeah.
Bro, how long have you used it?
I don't know really. Why don't we play with some sticks now?
I'm dying.
That hurts.
On God, ow! On God, lad. Yeah.
Ow, that hurts.
Yeah. Oh no, I'm broken. I'm broken even more, guys. This is unfair.
Come on, I think this should be about 30 minutes. Yeah, he does always play on his Wii U. He would never notice that we're back.
Guys, it's actually only been 10.
I don't care, come on, let's just go back in time.